Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is September 28 and the time is 2 a.m. GMT approximately. Now today we will be looking at the chart of the New Zealand dollars right here, 45 minutes chart. Now I think overall market is just very choppy right now, guys. It doesn't matter whether it's whatever asset classes you're talking about, Forex, indices, commodities, they remain very choppy sideways. Um, it's just waiting for the big risk event, which is the tapering, but that will not come maybe until November. So expect more or less the same choppiness in the market right now. But anyway, let's take a look here with the New Zealand dollars. This is a short-term structure here. And what we can see right here, we ended with one as a 5 waves, and then we have an expanded flat, which we're calling it with two completed here. And then we have started the new leg on the downside within with 3, and you can see with 1 of 3 ended here, now doing a with 2 of 3 before another leg lower. So I think the invalidation level here, shorter cycle, is going to be this 0.71. As long as we stay below here, we could potentially continue to extend to the downside. Okay, now like I said, it's been quite choppy lately. Let's take a look at the let me erase the labels, and then let's look at the daily chart first, zooming out. Now you can see right here we've been sort of sideways over here since we topped out in February this year. And alright, so let's see what we got here. So according to the count here, right, according to the count, we're looking for a 1, 2, and another leg lower. So this is your 1 here, and this is your 2, right? Now, the this proposed count here, at this stage, we do not have a confirmation yet. What does that mean? That means we have not truly broke below the previous low yet. So again, if we have not broken below here, then technically we could, for example, do a double correction like this, right? Or even do a double from here, double from the lows here, August 18, which is this one. Let's say you can call it ABC like this at least before lower, right? So there's a couple of different possibilities. Remember, not every single situation, not every single moment will be a good environment or a good high probability environment with the trade, right? So that's why people that do not understand the idea of trading is not every day, they will not be able to kind of survive most of the time, because when the market is really choppy sideways, I think you better wait and until the market clears up before we can make any action, right? Now here again, we're looking for the downside as of now, as long as we don't break below with 2 here, 0.709. However, again, overall it's just a choppy mess at the moment. So if this is correct, then technically we could start 3, 4, 5, at least a 3, right? I mean, this could be ABC as well. So this could either be ABC or this could be 1, 2. If it is 1, 2, eventually this is going to break below here, because you can see a 3, 4, 5 most likely is just going to be breaking below this previous low and then opening up for the downside, which is US dollar bullish. If you think about it, New Zealand dollars going down is US dollar bullish, right? But for now, for this view to remain valid, to gain any kind of validation or confirmation, first you need to break in the shorter cycle this low, and then more importantly this low. Now breaking this low, then you will have better chance to at least extend lower to the 100% extension, right? So remember, this still can be ABC instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this is an ABC, it can go to 69.11, 68.03 right here, right? And if this is with 3, then it can go to 1.618 or even lower and break below here, which will then open up more downside. Now when that happens, then you will know for sure what the market intention is. If it breaks below this low, then you know for sure the market intention is US dollar rally, right? US dollar strength. And so that means you can measure in the 100% extension, and then you will be able to get, you know, the target on the downside. But that only if it can break below here. Otherwise, like I said, we got a couple of different possibilities right now. Again, the market is not always every single time, every single day, right, show the best clarity, right? And today, definitely now, is not one of those moments that we can see for sure. For certain, everything is very clear. Now there is other US dollar pairs that do have a sequence in favor of the US dollars, but it's not the New Zealand dollars, and we use another pair at the moment, and the correlation to basically favoring the idea that we can see more downside in the New Zealand dollars here. But for the New Zealand dollar itself, like I've been saying, we do need confirmation. So yeah, so if we break below this low here, this low, which is around 69.78, then I think that should open up more downside to at least 69, low 69. Okay, and if we can break below here 68, then it will open up more downside to 65 potentially. So step by step, we still need to break below here first to open up here, and then we need to break below here to open up even further downside. If we break below here, that could still be an ABC and then go up like this, right? But at least if it breaks below this low, 69.70, that will open up target to 69, let's say 18, 69.18. Okay, so that's the update here from the New Zealand dollars, right? And at this stage, again, if we do get a break below above 70.93 instead, then that means we could be either breaking like this, doing wave 2 like this, and go down, or we can just resume the uptrend from August 19, and you can call this, let's say, ABC, or 1, 2, 3, and then ABC to the upside. All right, so that's the update. And for, as always, if you do want to get regular updates on Forex, commodities, indices, we got 14 days free trial. Please feel free to check our service by following the link in the video, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.